So if you want to relocate to the United States to study, what are you waiting for? Watch this video. So Sadie's visa was approved. Hello, my people. This is one of the International Students series, and today we have a guest. Our guest will talk to us about her visa interview and then give us some resources, tips, and tricks. I have a tip for you at the end of the video, so watch to the end because this tip will help you get your visa approved in 2024. So stay tuned, don't go away, like, comment, and share this video. So today I have a guest on my channel and she is ready to talk to us about her visa experience and all the resources that you need. So stay tuned, don't go away. Hi, you're welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
Can you introduce yourself to us and then tell us a little bit about the school you're in now, your previous educational background?
Okay. I'm Sedi and I had my undergrad in Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, KNUST, in Business Administration, and I'm currently doing my Master of Social Work at Case Western Reserve University in the United States.
Wow, Sedi is in the United States with us. She is also a student at Case Western Reserve University, located in Cleveland, Ohio. So Sedi, tell us, where did you hear about the school?
Okay, I heard about the school from my elder brother, so I decided to hop on their website where I chanced on social work program. Yeah, so I decided to apply and I got admission, which I was very, very excited. So finally I'm here.
Yeah, she's here with us, and it's exciting to hear when students are able to make it to the United States and start their educational journey as well as their American dream, and you can be one of them. So yes, Steady, after hearing about the school, you applied and you got admitted.
After hearing, I went to their website and I came across social work. So, and I also have a little passion for social work after my undergrad, so I decided to apply for it. I got admission. I was so excited. So here I am.
Oh, so Sadie is in the United States with us, and she's in Case Western Reserve University. This school is located in Cleveland, Ohio. So if you want to go there, please hit us up. Yeah, so Sadie, you heard about the school, you applied, which is great, and you got admitted. You were excited about the admission, and so what did you do next?
Okay, so after the admission, I had to plan for the interview, which I had my interview on the 18th of July.
Which interview?
Visa interview, actually.
Okay.
And my visa was approved. So,
so Sadie's visa was approved. That is why she's on the channel, to tell you what you need to know to be able to also move to the United States as a student. So she started us on a good note that her visa was approved. So we'll get to know about that. Don't go away. This is the Study Abroad channel, and in here we'll give you all the gist about Study Abroad. So yeah, Sadie, you decided to apply. What was the application like? Where did you start from?
After I got admitted, I had to start the visa interview process, where I went for the interview. But before that, I had to fill my DS-160, your name, some kind of information about you and the school. So yeah, that's what I did. Then I went for the interview on the 18th of July.
Okay.
So during the before, I had to prepare for the interview, which was not an easy task, but I was able to come up successfully. That's why I'm here.
Okay. You went for the visa interview on the 18th. Specifically, what time did you go?
9:30.
9:30.
I got there around 7.
Oh my!
And I swear the queue was so long.
I know. So walk us through that morning before you went to the visa interview. I know you'll be nervous, which is also normal, but what did you do in the morning? before you got there?
So I prayed with my brother and my sister-in-law.
Okay.
And then I went straight to the embassy that morning with the hope of getting approved.
Definitely.
Yeah. I got there with my cousin. So she was the one giving me morale. Like, I was so scared because the queue was so long and people were coming out. Some were rejoicing, some were crying. At that moment, I was just crying. I was just praying in my head. Seeing people crying, I was just praying in my head, Lord, this is not my portion. This is not my portion.
All.
So finally, it was my turn and I had to go. So I was just, and before I got there, in front of me, someone was denied.
Oh no.
And I was like, no, this is not my portion. But finally, God made it possible.
Okay. It happens all the time. You have to be prepared for that experience where you be in a long queue, people will get denied, others will be approved, and you could be the one getting approved. So don't worry about that. The moment you are able to watch all the videos on the International Student Series on this channel, you should be able to pass and pass well. So yeah, Sedi, you got there early, too early for that matter, and that is good. Please get there on time if you are currently preparing or you intend to prepare for a visa interview. Make sure you are there on time because the queue can be very long, so that you don't get too tense. You have time to cool down before the main interview.
So I got there and we joined the queue inside. You have to do some biometrics and some stuff, and now the interview itself. So
yes. And so yeah, Sedi, when you got to the consular, what was the first question that he or she asked you?
So I got there that morning and the first question was like, where are you going?
Okay.
And I said I am going to SYZ school, which is Case Western Reserve University, to pursue my master's degree in social work. And the next question was like, I can see you have a huge scholarship. Right. So who will be taking care of your deficit? Right. Which I stated the deficit will be catered for by my employer, which is SYZ. And after that, the next question was like a conversation.
Wow.
So on your DS 160, I can see you are married with kids. Obviously, I'm not married, so it's just like a trick.
Yes.
Yeah. So and I said no, I'm single, and she was like, okay. So she took my document, and later on, I was approved.
Yes, Sedi's visa was approved. Yes. Okay. So that is like a very short interview. I always say the visa interview will take like 4 minutes or 5 minutes.
Mine took 2 or 3 minutes.
2 or 3 minutes. And at that point, you have to be smart. You have to say something. You know, they asked there that she has a husband and kids, which she doesn't have. The consular wanted to know if she filled her DS 160 herself. You know, so make sure you are filling it yourself. Even if you don't fill it yourself, make sure you read through to know the information that has been put on your DS 160. Because if you don't, and they ask you any question on your DS 160, you might not know. And that is the reason why people can get denied for F1 visa interviews. So yeah, and that was a quick interview then.
Yeah, very quick.
And so after that, what did she say?
So I was put on administrative process where I had to take a sheet and wait for them to just call me for my visa, which happened in about a week. Yeah. Okay. So after the visa, I started the preparations
to come in. Of course. So yes, guys, you can also be approved. I mean, it is not for specific students. There's no specific method or way of doing it. You just have to be confident during the interview, and you should get your visa approved. I mean, you are likely to get approved. So as Sedi, let's ask you more questions. So when she said that you have been given like a very huge scholarship, did you respond or did you just smile, or what did you do?
I responded. I said yes. I've been offered a merit-based scholarship of this and that, and which will cover my full tuition and part of my stipend. The rest will be catered for by my employer, SYZ company. Yeah.
Okay. So why do you think some the, why do you think some visa interviews are refused in your view?
Yeah, like you said, confidence.
Right.
Yeah. When you get there, sometimes when you are nervous, they know you are
They know.
nervous.
Right.
So, and you being nervous, they think you have a fake document or you can't talk.
Right. That's true.
Yeah, so even if you don't have anything to say that time, just be confident. At least that one helps.
Yeah.
And also, just talk boldly. Yeah.
Yeah. And I think that
For them to hear.
For them to hear you, because we tend to be afraid when we are talking to people. I don't know why. Please, on that day, talk confidently and make sure that you know what you're saying. Don't just say anything. Think fast and be smart and say something. Don't go and behave like I'm afraid. That one, they might think that you are lying or you are not being honest. So make sure that you are very confident in the interview. Make sure you prepare before going, because some people don't prepare. They feel like, okay, this person got it in 3 minutes. No, it doesn't work that way. Everybody's situation is different, so work hard so that when you get to, you know that you have prepared, and that is the fruit of your effort. So before that, you had done some preparations. Tell us what helped you, because somebody wants to know, is there any group that you joined? How did you prepare before that day? So that, I mean, it will give people insight on what to do when it's their turn.
Okay, I would say I watch your YouTube videos, and I also join mock sessions on WhatsApp, because there are a lot of people organizing mock interviews, and people share their transcripts on the page, so you go through and you know your do's and don'ts.
Okay.
Yeah, and what to say and what not to say.
Okay. So do you have a specific page for that WhatsApp group so I can benefit, or is it a Telegram group?
Some are on Telegram and some are on WhatsApp.
Okay, so
I think you go to the Telegram, and some of them they share the WhatsApp link on the Telegram pages.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, look out for those channels. Look out for those mediums of communication that would help you pass your visa interview, because that is very, very important. Watch all the videos on my channel, because Sadie says she watched my videos. Yeah. So yeah, watch the videos that I keep putting out there, because it will be a good resource to you. So yes, Sadie, I think that I want to know what really worked for you, because you might have gotten a lot of information from different people. What do you think worked for you? Subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video. If you have questions, put it in the comments, and both of us will reply to your comments directly.
So I would say hard work. Yeah, and also you have to join mock interviews regularly, watch YouTube videos, because you can't just be home doing nothing and expect to be approved. Yes.
Right. I would recommend Case Western Reserve for all of you. If you want to know how to apply or how to get into the school, kindly reach out to me. I'll put Sadie's information there. You can also reach out to her. So yes, Sadie, tell us, what would be your advice for international students or prospective students who are planning to travel to any of the countries for school?
Okay, the only advice is they should be hardworking, prayers, because prayer really works, and also watch your YouTube channels and join mock interviews, like I said earlier, because it helped me, so it will help them too.
Yes, so Sadie said, watch my YouTube channel. I have very insightful information for you on study abroad tips and tricks. Subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video. If you have questions, put it in the comments, and both of us will reply to your comments directly. So Sadie, give us a shout out. Who do you want to say hi to?
So I want to shout out to my mom, my sister-in-law, my two nephews, Ivan and Ian, and my niece, Nunana, and also to my best friend in Ghana, Vivian. I miss her so much.
Hi,
I miss all of
Vivian.
them so much, and my two big brothers, Ellie and Ellie. Shout out.
Shout out to
I
you
love you guys
all.
so much.
Okay, so yes, we had today Sedi. Sedi is a graduate student at Case Western Reserve University, currently studying social work, and your concentration is
Mental health in adults.
mental health in adults. So yes, guys, follow this channel, subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Watch the next video because I have good information for you. I will link it right here. Okay, Sandy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.